Hey, I squished 3 videos all together, guys. So hang around and see them all. Doesn't cost nothing. Bye. Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you for Stock Lock Sunday. It's a Baton space lock. I guess that's for storage space lock. I don't think it's for outer space lock. But yeah, it's just a stainless steel, and I really don't remember who I got this from. But thank you, whoever sent it to me. And I got it a long time ago because I wasn't really trying to pick dimple locks then. And Bobby Keys got me started on it, and so I'm trying. That seems to be a real low bidded one. That seems to be high up. And then that one seems a little lower than flush, and then these two look like they're flush to the board. So I think that's the bidding on the key there. And if you know me, you know these things are kind of foreign to me. Oops. Yeah, this way. That would be the way it turns. Yeah, okay. So bear with me, guys. Let's see what we can do. Got one of these Banggood specials, and these things are pretty dang nice. I mean, they're I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you probably can't. Anyway, they're yeah, it's not focusing right. Anyway, they're beveled here and there. You don't have to do anything to them, and they're rounded on the shaft. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this thing. If I can find the pins, that would be nice. And I have a tendency to over tension some of this stuff. It's like I think I got to force it open. I don't know. Oops. Slid by a pin, I guess. Shoot. Slipping. There we go. Got it. Alrighty. We got an open on that thing. Okay. Yeah. Great. Fantastic. That's nice. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is just a quick video for Stock Lock Sunday, and stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye. Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got another lock for you for Stock Lock Sunday. Is this X-Type Chateau C99X. Made in China. It's got a excellent dust cover there, well, as you can see. Here's the key. It's really a special key because that turns. You know, that'll do it. That'll make you safe. But you know, it works like those others. These are. I definitely wouldn't put these on anything I wanted to keep secure. All right, let's get back here and see if we get on our pin. And there it is. You know, it's that quick. And you're in. Let's try something else here since we got a couple of minutes. Let's try the old get her in there. You got to get around the warding here, though. Oh, it's open already. So, you know, if you want to keep something safe, you don't buy anything like this. And this came from a storage facility. That's what they're selling at the storage facility. So if you're gonna have to have a lock like this, I recommend an Abus or the Yale with the rubber around it. It's a fairly decent lock, but I really recommend the Abus for these type, unless there's a better one out there. But for a regular person, I'd go with an Abus. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay legal and have fun. Bye. Okay, number 3. This one has no name. It just says stainless steel, hardened. And on the back it says China stainless steel. So I don't know who makes it or anything. Just made in China. It's our third offering. Let's see what we can get on this one. Haven't messed with this one much. I got it from a friend of mine. He lost the key on it, and there it is. So yeah, there you go. That's number 3, folks. They're not tough. Thanks for watching. Bye.